Hello and welcome back. I'm Lawrence. Today we're going to learn to create a game similar to this one. Let's see the preview. This is the main character. When he collide to an item, it will equip and ready to shoot. And then when it collide to the second object, it will change and ready to shoot. Okay, same thing to this one. Okay, looks interesting, is it? So let's learn how to create this from scratch. First, let's create a new game. Portrait, coin collection, platformer, single world, and let's create. Okay, delete the first second scene. We don't need that. From the first scene, the dark cloud, delete. We don't need this either. And then change the what do you call this? The show game frame setting to block. Alright, we are good. I'm going to use all this image I have: blank, the gun, the ball, the bullet, the machine gun, the shooting effect, water drop. Okay, another water drop, water gun, and then water shoot, and my sprite, my audio, 3 shoot, shoot ball, shoot water, sprite. Okay, there's a few things I need to explain to you guys about setting up your sprite. Okay, as you can see, image 1 and number 2, I'm not going to use this image 1 and number 2 for my main character. I just want you to see the full image. The size are 558 times 602. So in the future, when you want to create a game similar to this one, make sure you prepare all the related image in the same dimension. Okay, for example, the feet itself also in the same size, 558 times 602. Okay, and that's because whenever I put in this image number 5 as an action, it will automatic place in the proper position. Okay, I will show you once we get there. First thing first, we need to change the main character. My main character is going to be this. Okay, this is the legs is my main character. Let's change the collision shape. Okay, this is my main game collision shape. Okay, I always set my main character collision shape like this, because when you face a higher platform, I don't want my character to stop moving to the right. Okay, if I use this set like this, even though you have a slightly higher platform, my character will still be able to move forward. Okay, but that's just me. Alright, this is my character. I'm going to change the size to 0.5. And then the move animation, I'm going to select 03 and 04, click and drag, and then change the animation speed to 0.3, and then check the loop. Okay, and then let's preview the game. It's weird, isn't it? You can only see the legs. Okay, now let's bring the body. This is the reason why I only create legs for my character, because I want my character body to change every time he pick an object. Alright, for the idle character, I'm going to use this. Click and drag, bring in as an action button, and then delete it inside the scene. Go to the action library, rename this number 8 as idle. Yeah. Action type, make sure you put this as gameplay, and then okay, the idle are not supposed to be this image. The idle are supposed to be the blank image, inv image. Okay, so let me quickly change this to inv, and then the action animation is the image for the idle. Okay, but remember the name are still idle. And then gameplay character overlay. Okay, the gameplay setting, you need to change only duration, change to 9999, default 50 default, and then change the platform friction to 100. And then when you do the preview, you can still see nothing. When you bring in the idle, let me quickly change the collision shape to default. Okay, since we already set the action to place the character by overlay, and then remember I told you that the character will automatically be placed on the top part of the leg. It's because I already set it from the Photoshop. Okay, so let's see the preview. There you go. As you can see, the hands are not showing. It's looking a little weird here. It seems like he is holding the, seems to be okay, let's fix that. This thing's supposed to be in front of the character. There we go. Okay, now let's bring in the first gun, machine gun. Where is the machine gun? Under object, I want to use the machine gun. Bring in as an action. The size are supposed to be 0.5. Okay, let's set the size collision shape first. Machine gun, yes, machine gun. Okay, you already have the machine gun. And then let's bring in another inv object. Where are my inv object? Oh, here. As an action, set this one as MACHIN, machine gun SKIN. Okay, this one is going to be the machine gun skin. Set this as a gameplay character overlay. Only change the platform friction to 100. And then let's bring in the action animation. Let's bring in the machine gun, this one. So whenever your character collide with this one, it will change from idle image to this machine gun equip image. I'm going to place this over here, and then I'm going to change my machine gun collision shape to be same size as this one. First of all, I need to change the size to 0.5 and then place it over here, and then I need to set my machine gun collision shape to be same size as this one. To do that, go to the machine gun, edit, zoom in both of it, and then move. Okay, something like that. Okay, we only need the top part to be the same, because your character will only start hitting from the side and from the top, never from the bottom. So leave it like this. Okay, now that we have the machine gun skin and the machine gun item, all we need is your machine gun button. Okay. Oh yeah, we need one more. Bring in the inv object. This one is also for the machine gun. Delete first. Rename this as shoot bullet. Shoot 3 bullets. Okay. And then once I rename this to shoot 3 bullets, I will bring my bullet as an object. Delete. Then go to the object libraries. Change the collision shape. This is going to be my bullet. Okay, once you have your bullet, let's bring in the shoot bullets and then place it to same position as this one. We're just going to click and drag. Okay, something like that. And then action animation, I will bring the bullet from the object. Okay, this position we don't know where we need to place this yet, but let's set what we need to set first. Add components, spawn, just put 999. Platform, this one you can set as character bullet, fix, and then the speed 20, maybe okay, I like it 35. Okay, maybe the size I change to 0.4. Okay. Okay, now that we have shoot 3 bullets, then we need to set our shooting UI. This UI is for our main character idle, which means when you are in idle mode, there is no shoot button because you are not carrying any gun. Okay, you're not equipped with